Okay, ladies and gents, what we have here is our actual head plate or main block, large piece of aluminium. Once again, make sure you use your actual highly visible markers. Give yourself a nice visible area. We are doing quite a substantial marking on this particular part, so the whole area may as well be covered. Give it a couple of seconds to dry. Okay, and we will be marking out these particular bits. So working from our one position, we can start scribing, following our drawings. So there we have our particular lines marked for there. We have a measurement now going up of 15 mil. Another good habit to get into too, ladies and gents, okay, is to actually just mark your bottom to give yourself some understanding or some locating point or reference marker, so we are all identical. And there we have our positions for our actual marking off one side. We have our positions now here for our actual part for our centres. So if we scribe those lines across between our two centre positions. Now a handy little trick here if you're having trouble lining up your positions is actually use your scribe to mark the centre of your intersects. Then you can butt your rule up against it. Okay, and then intersect your next and then scribe your line. We have one other measurement there to mark, which is 30 mil in on this face, and that is the position for the hole. Our next position there, ladies and gents, okay, is our centre line mark, so 15 with our 30 on there. It's the centre of that particular 30 mark. We've got our centre line mark there, ready for centre punching. You can then continue on marking out the base. Make sure you give it high visible again. Measurements for these, centre of, it's a piece of 16 mil, so we're going to be 8 mil in. For that particular piece. And we're 25 mil off our centre line. So our centre there will be 50. And we'll come 25 mil off those particular lines. Now, marking it as it is here, ladies and gents, can be quite difficult. So please use the assistance of your metal vices, okay, or clamping or assisting aids. And now we have our positions ready for our base drilling. Turning our particular job over from our drawing that we have here, there is some holes located on the rear side. The measurement says it's 20 mil in on the centre line, so we can actually take that centre line mark, which was 30 mil. We can actually scribe that round and down arrow the length. As you note there, ladies and gents, it's quite hard to see our lines. So once we've got that done there, 20 mil in off this face. And we have our position for our backside hole. We have our end view. This here's our actual drilling hole for our position of our pipeline, 8mm in. So we can scribe that position and we're right to go.